My name is Liane, and I will be showing you how to use and navigate the student dashboard on Storyboard That. If you are a student, this is what you will do to use your account. If you are a teacher, this is a good reference for what your students will see and how they will interact with our website. I'm starting on the Storyboard That homepage, storyboardthat.com. I will go up here to the login button, and now I am on the login page where there are different options for how to log into your account. You can use a username and password as shown here under Enter Details Manually. There are also single sign-on options over here, such as Google or Microsoft. How you log in is determined by the teacher or the school that sets up your account. It is important to always use the same login method each time you go to sign into your account. So whether you use a username and password, or for example, if you always sign in with your Google single sign-on, you'll always use the same method for the rest of the school year to avoid any account complications. Here, I've already input my username and password. I am a pretend student named Charlie. I will click this login button, and now I'm being brought to my student dashboard. I can see that I am a part of Miss Hicks's 6th grade class. And I can see that I have an assignment that has been given to my class called an All About Me spider map. Below are the instructions for my assignment. I can see that my assignment is due next Monday, that the objective is to create a storyboard that tells all about you, including images and descriptions that answer the prompts, and some further instructions. A teacher may wish to include a rubric. My teacher did. If I click here, I could view the rubric for this assignment. Teachers may also wish to include templates or examples. If I scroll down, this is where I can see if my teacher has provided me with a template, which she did. If I scroll further, I can see if my teacher has provided me with an example, which she did. This shows me what a finished product might look like. I can click here to view the example larger. Once I understand what I am supposed to do, I can click on this orange button to start my assignment. As soon as I click that, I will be brought into the Storyboard That creator. Thank you for watching.